bersama. And first of all, my name is Warida binti Mahmud from AM22558. I will present to you about the trial balance for the transaction for the year, and also statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for Alpha Syndrome Berhad for the year ended 31st December 2017. So let's start for the transaction for the year in Alpha Syndrome Berhad, where we begin with the issue share capital with ordinary share 5 million ordinary shares of 1,050,000 each, and preference share is 50 million, 5% preference share of 2 ringgit each. For the year ended 31 December 2020, the company has performed the following transaction, and we gonna start with the ordinary share, where debit bank 5 million times 100 at par, and the credit will be application and allotment 5 million, and the credit will be 5 million. Second one is debit application and allotment, credit bank 5 million times with the 1 ringgit 50 cents, with equal of 75 million, and the credit also 75 million. For ordinary share will be on the credit 2,500,000, and also credit share premium 5 million times 50 cents, and the equal is 2,500,000. So the preference shares, as at 1st January 2017, our company received 50 million application of 5% of preference shares at 2 ringgit in full subscription by the shareholder, and we begin with the debit bank 50 million times 2 ringgit will be 30 million, and we credit application and allotment with 30 million also. Second one is we debit in application and allotment 50 million times 2 ringgit, and we get 30 million also, and the credit bank 30 million. Issue of debenture as part of the program to raise the fund. The company also issued 1 million of 3% debenture, where we starting for the debit bank 1 million, and the credit 3% of debenture is also 1 million. Let's proceed to the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for Alpha Syndrome Berhad for the year ended 31st December 2017. So, starting with the revenue with 75 million, and with minus of cost of sale 22 million, and we get the gross profit 53 million. Now we plus other operating income, where it involves rental and gain on disposal. The minus with administration costs 8,238,000, minus with selling and distribution costs with 3 million. Profit from operation we get 42,762,000, and minus with the finance cost 100,000, and plus with the investment cost 300,000. We get the profit before tax 42,962,000. So we will minus with the taxation 1,700,000. We get the profit after tax is 41,262,000, and the other comprehensive income plus with the surplus on revaluation with 10,500,000. We get the total comprehensive income with 51,762,000, and the earning per share with the formula we get 40,962,000 minus with 332 and 500 divided by 40 million, we get 0.9982 cents.
Assalamualaikum, I am Nur Amira binti Mat Syafi'i. So today I will present about notes to the account and also all the working that involved in the transaction. First is notes to account, and first is about general information. So Alpha Berhad is a trading company and listed on the Bursa Malaysia, and commenced its business in January 2017 with an authorized share capital of 100 million units of ordinary shares of 1 ringgit each, and 50 million units of 5 preference shares of 2 ringgit each. And the company principal office is located in Shah Alam, Selangor. And then significant of accounting policies. So the summary of significant accounting policies is a section of the footnotes that accompany an entity's financial statements, describe the key policies that being followed by the accounting department. So it is usually placed at or near the beginning of the footnotes. And then next is earning per share. Earning per share can be seen in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. And working of the earning per share is the earnings of the ordinary shareholders and minus with the 300 to 5,500 by number of 40 million of units of ordinary shares. And then this is the share capital. First is authorized share capital. Our ordinary share is 100 million at 1 ringgit each, and for the 5% preference share is 50 million at 2 ringgit each. So the total for the authorized share capital is 200 million. And for the issued and paid up capital is, first is ordinary shares is issued at the 5 million at 1 ringgit and 15 cent, which is at the premium price. The total is 7 million and 500, and preference share 5% preference share is issued at the 15 million at 2 ringgit each. So the total is 37 million and 500. And this is last is capital commitment. Alpha Berhad had signed a contract at a value of 5 million to construct a new building for research and development purpose, and it will start in 2018. Next is note of property, plant and equipment. We have land, building, plant and machinery, and motor vehicle. So the balance as at 1st January 2017 for land is 24 million and 500,000. For building is 35 million. For plant and machinery is 21 million and 500,000. And for motor vehicle is 800,000. So we have revaluation for land, which is at 10 million and 500,000, which has been revalued as 35 million. So the revaluation is at surplus of 10 million and 500,000. And then we have acquisition of building, that we have purchased a building at cost of 13 million and 80,000, and the balance as at 31st December 2017 for land is 35 million. For building is 48 million and 80,000. For plant in machinery and motor vehicle did not change, which is 21 million and 500,000 and 800,000.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Arina binti Ali, and today I would like to present about Statement of Financial Position and Statement of Change in Equity of Alpha Berhad. Statement of Financial Position for the year ended 31st December in 2017. First thing first, we need to total up the total asset, which consists of non-current assets and current asset. Non-current asset includes property, plant and equipment, whereby the calculation can be made in Notes 1 amounting to 81,710,000. Long-term investment amounting to 6,150,000, and also patent amounting to 2,115,000. Current assets, which includes inventory amounting to 635,000, trade receivable amounting to 210,000, bank, which the calculation can be found in the T account amounting to 48,975,000, and also marketable securities amounting to 1,300,000 ringgit. So the total asset will be 141,130,000 ringgit. So moving on to the total equity and total liabilities, which the equity will be the share capital and reserve. Share capital is amounting to 70 million, and also the reserve amounting to 67,324,500. And the non-current liabilities consists of 7% loan, which amounting to 2 million. Statement of change in equity for Alpha Berhad. We can see that since there is no adjustment made in the ordinary shares and also preference shares, the beginning balance and also ending balance will still remain the same. As for the ordinary shares amounting to 40 million, and for the preference shares will be amounting 30 million ringgit. So total up with these two ordinary shares and preference shares is amounting to 70 million ringgit. So we can move on to the retained profit, as we can see that the balance as at 1st January 2017 is amounting to 12,330,000, and the profit after tax would be 40,762,000, and the interim dividend for preference shares would be amounting to 350,000, and for the ordinary shares would be 500,000. For the final dividend charge is 332,500 for preference shares, and also 50,000 for ordinary shares. So total up all of these items would be amounting to 54,000, 324,500. Moving on to the share premium, whereby there is no adjustment made. So the balance as at 1st January 2017 and the 30th December 30.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azwar Shahira binti Side. Today, I would like to present about the consolidated profit or loss for Alpha Berhad with Gamma Berhad. Let's proceed to the consolidated statement. Okay, for consolidated statement for profit or loss for company Alpha Berhad, first we got sale. Sale is 75 million plus with 264 million minus with 100,000, which is we got from sales of good in margin to Gamma, and then we minus with cost of sale. Cost of sale is a holding company plus with a subsidiary company, we get this figure. And then we get the after we minus with the cost of sale, we get gross profit. Gross profit is 44,700,000, and then we plus with other operating income, which is rental income and gas on disposal, we get total operating income. Total operating income is 54,962,000. After that, we minus with all the expenses, which is administrative and selling and distribution expenses. We got profit from operation, which is 42,538,500, and then we minus with finance cost and investment income, and then we got profit before tax. After that, profit before tax is 41,953,500, and then we have to minus with a taxation. With taxation, we get is 1,820,000, which is we got from a subsidiary and holding company taxation. After that, we get profit after tax 40,133,500, and then we have to attribute to the shareholder of holding. In order to get shareholder of holding, we must have a profit after tax. We minus with a NCI, which is 30% from the profit after tax, and then we got a shareholders of holding, which is 100% of holding and 70% of acquired from the subsidiary. We get 28,093,450, and then for working, we have a profit after tax for Gamma, which is subsidiary if given in the question. We minus with unrealized profit for motor vehicle 56,000, and then we plus with over depreciation 11,200. We got 870,700. Okay, after that we have to do Sochi extract. Sochi extract is we use profit after tax from Alpha, which is holding company only. We get is 40,762, and we minus with unrealized profit for inventory. How to get this figure is 100,000 we times with 20 per 120, we times with 30 per 100, 30%, and then we got this figure, we minus, and then we got this final figure, which is 40,757.